Angiogenesis has been a big research field for several decades by now. And I guess when people started to look at angiogenesis and then also found at the same time that angiogenesis is sort of a crucial process for tumors to grow, then the field of anti-angiogenesis were growing, because then many researchers sort of suggested that, well, let's try to see if we can block angiogenesis and then we can block tumor growth. And in experimental mouse models, for example, this has been very effectful. However, it has been shown over the years that it's not as effectful in human beings. So anti-angiogenic therapy now is a little bit, I think, questioned how effective can it be. So I think it's important to continue to do research to try and learn more about the angiogenic process in human cancer, and also try to see if is it possible to combine blockade of angiogenesis in tumors, for example, with other therapy methods. And that has been tried on several occasions and has been perhaps more potent. There are some other drawbacks of anti-angiogenic therapy when it comes to cancer. Then it was discovered some years ago that maybe if you try to block new vessel growth, angiogenesis, by anti-angiogenic molecules, you may take away some of the vessels in the tumors. But the secondary effect may be that the tumor cells become more invasive, and that you may actually trigger an EMT process by taking away the blood vessels. So, and that's the difficulty when in cancer therapy, that the cancer cells, you may see them as sort of plastic cells, and they're highly adaptable to different kind of environments. So if you change one thing, they may adapt to that and sort of start to behave in a different way. So therefore I personally think that people that are trying different types of therapy and combining them might be very much more successful in the future.